In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely start over in QuickBooks Online and set everything up again from scratch. Whether you're looking to make a fresh start or need to clean up the clutter, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Start by opening your Chrome browser, the preferred browser for the best experience with QuickBooks. In the address bar, type in the QuickBooks Online URL to head directly to the site. Once you're there, simply enter your email and password to securely log into your account. It's crucial to ensure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login troubles. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to finding the reset option. Look up to the top right corner of your QuickBooks interface. Here you'll find the gear icon, which resembles a small cog wheel. Click on this icon, a gateway to various settings. In the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings and then navigate to the Advanced tab. Scroll down this page and you'll encounter the Reset section. This is where you can make significant changes, so proceed with caution. Next comes the step where you start over with a clean slate. You'll notice an option that says Delete all data and start over. Click on this option, but before you jump in, take a moment to read the warning message that appears. It's important to understand that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you've read and understood the implications, check the box provided, which acts as a confirmation that you are aware of the consequences. Finally, click Yes or Start Over to proceed with your action. After the reset, QuickBooks will guide you through setting up your company from the beginning. This process is fairly straightforward, and QuickBooks does a great job of offering directions along the way. You'll need to enter your business name, address, EIN, and any other relevant details. Following that, it's time to set up your bank accounts and credit cards, ensuring that your financial data is accurate and ready for use. Additionally, you may need to re-add your products, services, customers, and vendors depending on your business needs. As an added step, if you have exported any reports or lists before starting this whole reset process, you can import them back into QuickBooks. To do this, head back to your settings, but this time select Import Data. Follow the prompts displayed to import your customers, vendors, or any previous transactions you wish to re-establish in your system. This optional step can be very helpful for a seamless transition, and there you have it. By following these instructions, you can efficiently start fresh in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your business finances with ease.